Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
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 warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. May peace, health, and blessing be upon you all. First, the foremost, let us extend our highest respect to the Mayor of Bekasi, of Deputy Mayor of Bekasi, whose visionary leadership and continuous guidance consistently inspire our dedication to public service and regional development across the city. The Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, Mr. Nata Wirya Esos MSI, Respect Section Head, Urban Village Head, Sub-Division Head, and all esteemed civil servant within in the Jati Sampurna Sub-District government. Welcome to our routine Friday morning sub-district. Welcome to our routine Friday morning meeting today, July 17, 2026. Praise be to the Almighty that we are able to gather here today in a good heart and high spirit to evaluate our performance, address our first challenges, and synergies our collaboration effort for the community. My name is Nurdin, the sub-district secretary, and it is my distinct privilege to serve as your moderator for today's session. We have several pivotal agendas to discuss this morning. However, to officially commence our meeting and set the strategic direction for our task ahead, I respectfully invite to our sub-district head to deliver his opening remarks and exclusive directive. Mr. Nata Wirya, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Secretaries.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mr. Secretaries, for the introduction. Very good. Morning to all civil servant and the entire team of Jati Sampurna. First and foremost, let us all express our deepest gratitude to the Almighty for allowing us to gather here today. We also extend our utmost respect and allegiance to the Mayor of Bekasi and the Deputy Mayor of Bekasi, whose steadfast leadership and strategic directive serve as our primary motivation to provide the highest quality of service to the people of Jati Sampurna and the city at large. As we enter this 10th week of July 2026, I remind each of you that our duty is not merely administrative. It is a manifestation of our commitment to the berakhlak, core values, being oriented toward service, accountable, competent, harmonious, loyal, adaptive, and collaborative. Today, our focus must be sharp and uncompromising on two critical agenda: the urgent acceleration of the Lingkar program disbursement and the aggressive optimization of our 2026 property tax revenue. We have reached a point where we can no longer afford to delay administrative process, as these are directly tied to the welfare of our community. I expect absolute transparency today, not only in presenting the data but also in being honest about the bottleneck and challenges we face in the file. I want to see a clear strategic execution plan that leaves no room for hesitation. I trust the government affairs section to provide us with a comprehensive evaluation, and I demand the full commitment of all urban village heads and structural officials to follow through with this directive immediately. Let us work with purpose, precision, and integrity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Camat, for those powerful opening remarks and your clear strategic directives, your emphasis and on the berakhlak values and our collective accountability serves as a vital foundation for our discussion today. Moving forward to our core agenda, I would like to invite the head of the Government Affairs section of Jati Sampurna, Sub-District Ms. Nurjana SA, to take the floor. Ms. Nurjana and her team have prepared a comprehensive evaluation regarding the progress of the Lingkar program and our current property tax realization. Ms. Nurjana, the screen and the floor are yours. Please proceed.
Thank you, sir. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning and best wishes to us all. Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Subdistrict, respected Subdistrict Secretary, Urban Village Head Ekrus Jati Sampurna, Fellow Section Head, Urban Village Secretary, and all civil servant present at this today morning meeting. As the head of the Government Affairs section, I stand before you today, this Friday, July 17, 2026, to present a comprehensive evaluation of our major performance. Our focus today is on accelerate the Lingkar program and property tax revenue or PBB to foster a more collaborative and accountable government in Jati Sampurna. This main purpose of today coordination is to dash to primary report main indicator under the government affairs scope. First, we will let in this basement progress of the Lingkar-Beken program across our 5 urban VEG and discuss our field mitigation strategy. Second, we will review our property tax or PBB relation starting from our city, with ranking down to the specific breakdown by book category per urban village. By presenting this data, we aim to alik our per section identify the bottleneck in the field and execute a measurable acceleration plan to discuss the specific progress of the Lingkar-Beken program. On slide 3 and 4, I will pass the floor to Ms. Tia Hildayana. Please, Mrs. Tia.
Thank you. Let us begin with the Lingkar-Beken program. Based on our latest tracking data as early this week, July 13, 2026, we have a clear picture of where each urban village stands. I want to commend Jatiraden for taking the lead by submitting their request on July 2. Jatikarya's target was due early this week on July 13, and Jatiranga is currently in process with their payment order already generated for a July 40 target. Meanwhile, Jatirangon and Jati Sampurna are target for completion this month. I ask the respective urban village heads to strictly monitor these timelines so we do not fall behind our July targets. Through our monitoring, the Government Affairs section has identified that the primary obstacle causing delays is the limited knowledge among our community groups regarding the Type 4 self-management procedures. To mitigate this, we cannot simply wait. We must implement a two-step approach. First, we must proactively explain and build their understanding of this regulation. Second, and more importantly, we must provide hands-on administrative assistance. Our staff must sit down with this group and help them complete the required documents, bridging the gap between bureaucratic police and actually fast execution. I return the floor to the head of section.
Excellent vision on the Lingkar-Beken update. Thank you, Ms. Tia. Moving to our second agenda, property tax or PBB, as of June 2026, Jati Sampurna Subdistrict has collected 46.91% of our total 2026 target. This relation please as at rank 7 of all sub-district across Bekasi City. Honorable sub-district head, I will rank 7 so that our machinery is working. It also serves as strong motivation-based work. We have significant 50.1% remain. I need a massive aggressively push in this third quarter to improve our standing at the city level. To elaboration on the breakdown of our property tax achievement per urban village, on slide 6 and 7, invite Ms. Mintarsi. Please, Ms. Mintarsi.
Thank you. To understand our strategy, we must break down the data for books 1, 2, and 3, which represent residential and standard property categories. Jatikarya is currently leading with 50.05%, closely followed by Jati Sampurna at 49.46%. Jati Ranggon sits at 47.72%, and Jati Randen at 44.06%. I would like to direct special attention to Jatiranga, which currently stands at 42.39%. I request the urban village head of Jatiranga to immediately evaluate the distribution of tax due notification letters in your area to ensure no standard taxpayers are missed. Next is the critical segment, books 4 and 5. These are high-value properties that hold the large revenue potential for our sub-district. Jati Sampurna is performed exceptionally well here at 54.47%, followed by Jatiranga and Jatikarya hovering around 49%. Jatirangon is at 41.09%. However, we have a critical watch area indicator for Jatiraden, which is currently at a low 26.53%, giving the substantial nominal value of these books. A low percentage here heavily impacts our sub-district total average. These months become a priority target for direct taxpayer engagement starting next week. Back to you, Ms. Head of Section.
Thank you for the detailed breakdown, Ms. Ita. This slide profit aside by side comparison of book 1 to 3 versus book 4 and 5 for ICE Urban Village. Rank alphabetical, this visualization allow us to see performance consistent. For instance, while Jatiranga is the lowest in book 1 to 3, they are actually see performance well in book 4 and 5. Conceptually, Jatiraden saw moderate performance in standard text, but server lacks in high value text. By mapping this gap, the government perception can help each urban village head tailor their field operation to focus exactly on the property tier that are legend design. Based on this evaluation, we have formula a strict acceleration strategy. Step 1, daily field sweeping operation. We mandate all urban villages to conduct sweeping operation every single day to the identity, standing, taxpayer, and simulation accelerate document processing for the Lingkar Beken program. Step 2, direct taxpayer visit with the sub-district head to target the high value property, especially in our ORS. The sub-district head has committed to directly and accompany the team on taxpayer visit. This document top level leadership commitment and send a clear message the seriousness of our regional revenue collection. To consult decrease I would like to what the directive from our sub-district head. Let work smartly, rapidly, and with integrity as the head of the government affairs section. I wait for the active commitment, synergy, and work of all urban village head and civil servant to sustain this momentum through the rest of July 2026. Thank you for your attention and dedication. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hand the
Waalaikumsalam.
session back to moderator.
A huge appreciation to the head of the government affairs section, Miss Tia and Miss Mintarsi, for the incredibly sharp, data-driven presentation. We now clearly see where we stand and where the gaps are. Next, I invite our sub-district head, Mr. Natawirya, to provide his response and directivity regarding this data.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. I hugely appreciate the Government Affairs section for this comprehensive and transparent mapping. The data speak for itself. We have areas of excellence, but also glaring what areas. Therefore, I want to hear directly from all 5 urban village heads. I want you to confirm the constraints that are causing the specific delay in the Lingkar-Beken disbursement and the low PBB figure in your respective areas. Mr. Moderator, please give the floor to the 5 village heads sequentially to confirm their responses.
Understood, Mr. Camat. We will now move to the interactive Q&A and confirmation session. I will give the first opportunity to the head of Jatisampurna village to provide a response regarding the data just presented. Please proceed, sir. Jatisampurna.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator and Honorable Mr. Camat. We include the data preset for Lingkar-Beken. We are targeted for completion this month, and for PBB, we are performing strongly in both 4 and 5 at 54.47%. To detail the specific hurdles we are navigating to mine this momentum, I invite the Secretary of Jatisampurna Village to explain.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. One passport are indeed struggling with the type 4 third management administration form. There are the technical ability to draft the budget plan based on the current progress, both ongoing activity and completed achievement have been monitoring and document according. Out of the total of 19 neighborhood Association W in Jatisampurna Urban Village. 7W have completed the administrative requirement for the disbursement process of the ID 100 million rupiah. The WR that have completed the administration process are RW1, RW2, RW4, RW5, RW8, RW9, RW10, RW8, RW12, RW13, and RW16. Demikian, thank you for attention.
Thank you for the clear report, Jati Sampurna Village. Next, I give to the floor the head of Jatikarya Village to deliver your response. Please, Jatikarya.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator and Mr. Camat. We are proud to be leading in PBB Bag 1, 2, and 3 at 50.05%. But we acknowledge our target was be earlier this week. To explain the field dynamics, I will turn to the head of the development section.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, everybody. The delay in our Lingkar Beken submission is due to several signature handlers for the airway chairman who walk outside the city during weekday, causing administration bottleneck. For PBB, our challenge to reach 100 is mostly due to an occupation property where the owner lives outside Bekasi, making billing difficult despite our effort. Thank you.
Thank you, Jatikarya Village, for identifying the specific bottleneck. Next, I invite to the Jatiranga Village to present your response, especially regarding the PBB evaluation. Please, Jatiranga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The moderator, Honorable Ms. Camat, we note the directive regarding on law activement in PBB book 1 to 3 with currently stand at 42.3%. I have asked our head of government section to detail in this SPPT distribution house.
Thank you. Head of government section.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, sir. The
Morning.
primary issue with book 1, 2, 3 is that many SPPT take due notification letter were recorded because the payment administration do next the taxpayer data or the lands have been sold without notifying the name record. However, for lingkar beken or payment, order SPM has been generated and we are closely monitoring the bank transfer process. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jatiranga Village, for the clarification. Now we move the Jatiraden Village, especially regarding to watch area status for high value properties. Head of Jatiraden Village, the floor is yours. Jatiraden Village.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator. Honorable Mr. Camat, we are grateful that our lingkar beken was submitted currently on July 2. However, we will estimate the creative queue regarding our VBB books 4 and 5 history law 26.453. I will let our farmer coordinator explain the field station.
Please, Pamor.
Thank you. The extreme challenge with book 4 and 5 is that these are large commercial plots and corporate owned. We often cannot meet the decision maker directly. We are only able to leave the bill with security guard. We highly welcome to the action plan for the sub-district head to directly accompany us in the specific taxpayer visit as it requires higher authenticity intervention. Thank you.
Thank you for the honesty, Jatiraden. Finally, I give the floor to the head of Jatirangon Village to deliver your response. Please, Jatirangon Village.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator and Mr. Camat of Jati Sampurna Village. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Our VBB performance is relatively stable, hovering in the middle. Regarding lingkar beken, we are targeted for the 3rd week of July. Is ask our village secretary to detail the challenge. Thank you.
Miss Sekretaris.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Similar to Jati Sampurna or Fogmas administrator or entirely volunteers, the faith events difficultly navigating the rigid bureaucratic format required for the recruitment. If one come is wrong, the file is rejected. The continuous revision also inward drag or timeline toward the end of the month. Thank you.
Thank you to the Jatirangon Village and all the village head for your transparent reports. The constraints have been clearly laid out on the table. Now return the floor to our sub-district head, Mr. Natawirya, to respond the day's challenge. Please,
Thank you.
Mr. Camat.
Thank you, Mr. Secretaries. Thank you, everyone. I have listened careful. The pattern are clear for Lingkar Beken. This issue is POKMAS administrative capacity and bureaucratic rigidity for PBB. The issue rank from misdressed SPPT to inaccessible corporate property owners. We cannot solve this by simply giving orders. We need tactical intervention. I am asking the head of the government affairs section to immediately present concrete solution and answer to the specific contraction conveyed by our urban village.
Confirm directive from the Camat, head of the government affairs section. You have heard the file dynamic. Please provide the solution and action step as required.
Thank you, Mr. Camat and Mr. Moderator. Based on the consistent risk, here is our tactical response. First, for the Lingkar Beken administrative heart, let's rest by Jati Sampurna, Jati Karya, and Jati Ranggon. We will implement the hand-on administrative assistant strategy MLT. Tomorrow, the sub-district government section team will open a dedicated consultation. Do not let the POKMAS struggle alone. Bring them to the office, and our staff will physically type and format the RAB and the type for document for them section for Jatirangga reprint SPPT initiate the tech level sweeping operation combined with data updating. Cross-check the return SPPT with the RT or RW to find the actual current owner. Read addressing Jatiraden all area on carpeting properties. As stated in our action plan on the slide 9, the direct tech fair visit with the sub-district that will come next Tuesday. Prepare the list of the top 10 figures. The first in books 4 and 5, the Camat and I will personally accompany the Pamor team to bypass secretary and meet the corporate director. That is our solution, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for this highly actionable solution. Head of the government affairs section. We are now in the final segment of our agenda. I invite our sub-district head, Mr. Natawirya, to deliver the conclusion and formally close today's meeting. Please, Mr. Camat.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. I deeply appreciate the government affairs section for providing concrete, no nonsense solution to our five pillars head the introduction. Our absolute, you must execute their daily sweeping operation and the hand-on assistance starting today. Jatiraden, prepare your top deploter list for me. I want to see our rank 7 climb to the top 3 by next month. As presented on slide 10, I reiterate my directive. Let's work smoothly, thoroughly, and with integrity. I demand your active commitment, synergy, and hard work to sustain this momentum throughout July 2026. Let us serve the people of Jati Sampurna with pride. With this, our Friday morning meeting is officially concluded. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And outstanding and motivating closing from Mr. Camat. Thank you very much. I also extend my highest appreciation to the head of the Government Affairs section and the entire team for today. Brilliant presentation. Thank you to the 5 urban village head and your team for the transparent reports. And to all the Jati Sampurna ASN for your active participation in today's interactive meeting. Let us move forward and execute this directives. Have a productive and blessed Friday. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you. Nice.
Foto.
Nice. Take a picture, please. Take a picture, please.
Okay, we will take a picture. Now, first, ready? 1, 2, smile. Keep smile. 1, 2, 3.
Smile.
Okay, first.
Freestyle. Please take a picture. Freestyle.
Once again.
Okay.
Freestyle. Smile.
Wait. Once again. You smile.
Finish.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.